Commands are the building blocks of the Twidget no-code platform. They function like code statements, performing operations such as creating and updating variables, loops, conditionals, and manipulating data in the data store. To create a command, click on the Add Command button. This will open the command sidebar, displaying a list of available commands. Commands are generally grouped under command groups that hold related commands. Click on a command group to view all its nested commands. To find a specific command, use the search bar at the top. Enter the command's name, and you'll see a filtered list matching your search text. Let's select the Create Variable command. Once you select a command, the Edit Command sidebar will automatically open. Here, you can set the command's configurations. Different commands require different settings. For this command, you can set a variable name and a value. We'll leave the variable name and set the value as a text string. Click Save to save the command. Some commands return a variable that you can reference in other commands and outputs. Return variables usually appear in purple with the word as before the variable name. Each command has an Options button, which opens the Options menu for that command. Here, you can see options such as Add Command Below to insert commands below the current command, Disable to stop the command from running without deleting it, Edit Description to add a description to the command, Delete Command. Let's click on Edit Description. This opens a description sidebar where you can enter a description for the command. Once saved, the description will show under the command name in purple. Good descriptions help to quickly understand complex commands. Now, let's click on the Options menu and click Delete Command. You'll be prompted with a confirmation dialog asking if you're sure you want to delete this command. Let's add a count loop command. Some commands produce custom variables. The count loop provides an incremental index variable that stores the loop's increment value. Count loops allow nested commands, so you can add multiple commands that will run inside the loop. You can access the increment variable value only within the count loop. There are also special commands like the return command. This command halts the execution of the current function and returns an optional variable, if specified. Some commands have basic inputs and outputs. Clicking the Output button shows what the command outputs. For example, this command outputs a number, which is the result of subtracting two inputs and storing that result in a return as variable. You can also change the name of the return as variable. By leveraging these commands, you can create complex workflows and business logic without writing a single line of code.